Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a place. To do it, we have to click on here. Then you have to select insist from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to select the pen tool from here. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here, here, and here. Then I have to select the move tool. Then I have to drag this in here. Then we have to select this and double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then I have to select the pen tool again. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then I have to press and hold Alt key. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve. Then I have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here, here, and here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select this. Then drag this under this layer. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to right click on this layer. Then I have to click on the ref. Then I have to click on the tick mark. So then I have to select these layers. Then I have to drag these layers. Then I have to decrease the size of these layers. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to select this layer again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this again. Then drag this under this layer. Then double click on here. Then select the brown color. Then click on the OK. Then I have to set this shape in here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. After that, we have to select the shape tool again. Then I have to press and hold Alt Shift key. Then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to increase the pixels from here. Then I have to select this. Then I have to rotate this shape. I have to increase the size of this shape. Then I have to go to the layer panel. Then I have to double click on here. Then I have to select the red color. Then I have to select this layer again. Then press and hold the Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then double click on here again. Then select the brown color. Then click on the OK. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to select the shape again. Then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to increase the pixels from here. Then I have to click on the tick mark. Then I have to double click on here. Then I have to select the brown color. Then I have to click on the OK. So now we have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then select liner gradient from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select this. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select the red color. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then I have to drag this in here. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Okay. Now I have to select this. Then right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Then click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Okay. Now I have to set the other things of the business card. So look at this in attentively. Then we have to select these layers. Then I have to click on the lock icon. Then I have to select these layers again. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to increase the size of these layers. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the text tool. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to write your name in here. Then I have to select all layers from here. Then I have to click on here. Then I have to select the red color. Then I have to click on the OK. Then I have to select the layer, then I have to decrease the size of this layer. Then I have to drag this layers in here. Then I have to select the shape tool, then I have to draw this shape in here. Then I have to select the move tool, then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to click on here, then I have to select the red color, then I have to select the move tool. Now I have to select this, then press and hold Alt key, then take it away from this. Then I have to select the shape tool again, then I have to click on here, then I have to write your number in here. Then I have to select the move tool, then decrease the size of this. Then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark, then press and hold Alt key, then take it away from this. Then I have to drag this in here. Then I have to select these layers, then press and hold Alt key, then take it away from these layers. Then I have to double click on here, then I have to write your email in here. Then I have to press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then I have to press Ctrl plus C button from keyboard, then I have to click on here. Then I have to drag this in here, then I have to double click on here, then I have to press Ctrl plus V button from keyboard, then click on the tick mark. Then select this, then drag this in here. Then I have to press and hold Alt key, then I have to take a copy from this. Then I have to double click on here, then I have to write your website name in here. Then I have to press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then I have to press Ctrl plus C button from keyboard, then click on the tick mark. Then double click on here, then press Ctrl plus V button from keyboard, then click on the tick mark again. Then select this, then I have to select this layer, then I have to press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then write your location in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then decrease the size of this. After that, you have to open your logo to set in here. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, you have to select this layer again, then press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this layer. Then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then press Ctrl plus A button from keyboard, then click on the color, then select the white color, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then increase the size of this, then click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here, then I have to select this layers, then I have to click on the backspace, then I have to back to the project, then I have to unlock all layers from here, then I have to select all layers from here, then I have to drag these layers in here, then I have to set this business card in here, then I have to click on the tick mark, then I have to press Ctrl plus L from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.